Hi! In front of me is Honor X8, and today I would like to show you where you can locate all your downloads on this Honor. You need to begin by opening an app called Files. When you find it, click on it. Now tap on Browse at the bottom right corner if it's not already on. Scroll all the way down and choose Downloads/Received Files. Lastly, just click on Download Manager. As you can see, all my downloaded files are over here. If you want to access one, just click on it. Thanks so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, smash that like button, comment and subscribe. Bye!